Today I would like to show you how to insert the cedis sign in Microsoft Word. So if you have been struggling with the insertion of the cedis sign in your writings when typing in Word, this video is for you. And I will show you two ways to do that. One using the shortcut and one using the insert, and then inserting it direct in the Microsoft Word. So if you are ready, let's get to it. So we have some text on the screen that says the amount stated here is 2,000 Ghana cedis only. So let's insert the cedis sign. First, we use the insert method. So to insert, we go to the insert, come down to the symbols here and select symbols, come to more symbols. If you can't find yours here, then you need to go to more symbols. You come to more symbols, select here. I know where exactly it is, so Latin extended B. So when I select the Latin extended B, I have to go down a bit, and here it is. This is my cedis sign. So when I select it and I select insert, you could see my cedis sign nicely inserted here in the document. Now let's get to the shortcuts. So what is the shortcut for inserting the cedis sign? Instead of using the long process, we can prefer the shortcut. The shortcut for inserting the cedis sign is 0, 2, 3, and then B, and we hold down Alt on our keyboard and then X. So the combination 0, 2, 3, B, and then Alt X will give you the cedis sign. So you may ask, how do I get those combinations or the shortcuts? Let's go to the insert tab again, the symbols, and then more symbols. When we select any other symbol, we have the shortcut key here. So this is the cedis sign. When you select the cedis sign, the shortcut, it gives you the shortcut key as in 032B and then Alt plus X. So when you come to the document and you enter those, it gives you the cedis sign. So this is how to insert the cedis sign in Word. Thank you for watching.